applicant's application for a stay of the fatwa that was subject of the judicial review, the fatwa which made Sisters in Islam a SIS forum. So we applied for the fatwa, or the implementation of the fatwa, to be stayed pending our appeal to the Court of Appeal. Amelina and I appeared for the applicants. The respondents, all of them objected to it. Nevertheless, the High Court allowed our stay application, so which means the implementation of the fatwa will be suspended until our appeal is disposed of at the Court of Appeal. The brief reasons of the judge as follows. Number one, that although the judge ruled that he had no jurisdiction over the fatwa at the main proceedings, nevertheless that finding might be overturned in the Court of Appeal. So in an application of this nature, normally the judge will have to assume what if he is wrong. That's the starting point. The second point, the judge also found that there are special circumstances because disobeying a fatwa is a criminal offence and there are serious implications for that. So if he does not stay the fatwa, it might render our appeal academic if it is enforced. So he found that to be special circumstances. On these grounds, he allowed the stay with no order as to cost. Any, you want to say something, Rozana?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Obviously you can see the smile on my face. I'm very happy with this decision because it means that our work can continue in terms of fighting for Muslim women's rights and children in Malaysia without having to worry too much about the risk that as we come into the office every day, what's going to happen to us. So as our counsel had said, this is only temporary though until the appeal at the Court of Appeal is disposed of. But in the meantime, I'm looking forward to the trial. We hope that whatever it is, we get our day in court and that justice will prevail. So I thank you all for coming and thank you all for your support.
Okay, just to clarify, the fatwa is suspended in the court?
Yeah, yes, fatwa, yes.
Okay.
The Court of Appeal, I'm sorry, when did you guys put the review for the Court of Appeal?
Sorry?
When we filed our
Bila
notice of
hantar yang
appeal.
untuk appeal?
September.
September last year.
September, September last
September
year.
last
There's no hearing date for the appeal yet.
Okay, they haven't set that.
Yeah, no.
So then once they set the hearing date for the appeal, depending on the outcome, what will be the next step for you guys?
I'll assume that if we win the appeal in the Court of Appeal, then the fatwa will be quashed, so there's nothing left to worry. Assuming we lose the appeal, which means the fatwa remains in force, this stay will no longer have effect, and we'll need to ask the Court of Appeal to extend this stay pending any proceedings in the federal court.